5 places to check for hidden water leaks. Plumbing leaks are one of the most common sources of home water damage. Sometimes the leak is plainly visible, and sometimes, such as a leak hidden behind a wall, it's not so obvious. So here are 5 places to check for hidden water leaks to help you protect your property from water damage like this. 1. Damaged pipes and joints. Many things can cause an otherwise solid pipe to start leaking. A licensed plumber that specializes in leak detection can locate and repair hidden pipe leaks. 2. Water heaters. To ensure optimal performance and detect potential problems, service your hot water heater annually. 3. Washing machines. Over time, pipes, hoses, and seals become worn and, if not inspected and repaired or replaced, can start leaking water when the machine is in use. 4. Central air conditioning units. In addition to checking for problems like clogged drain pipes, which can cause drain pans to overflow, an HVAC inspection should also look for dirt, mold, and other particles that could compromise the air quality in your home. 5. Sprinkler systems. One symptom of an irrigation pipe leak is the appearance of mold or mildew on the grass. Or if you notice a dip in water pressure inside your home while your sprinklers are running, that can also point to a potential hidden leak. Should a water damage emergency strike your property, call SERVPRO of North Hollywood 24/7 for help cleaning and restoring your property like it never even happened.